Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, your radio step up in Korean.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 오늘은 시간과 숫자를 조금 부드럽게 말해봅니다.
If I want to say around 7, do I say,
7시쯤 or 7시경.
and can I use those for money too?
좋은 질문이에요. English speakers often need about for time, price, age, and number. Korean uses 튼 very often for everyday estimates.
And 경 also means around, but it is mainly for time or dates, and it sounds more formal or written.
오늘의 패턴은 noun plus쯤이에요. In English, it means about or approximately.
For time or dates, you can also use noun plus 경. It means around, but feels a little more official.
Sochum is my friendly everyday about, and gung is more like around for a schedule or notice.
맞아요. First, time. 7시쯤 만나요 means let's meet around 7 o'clock.
Here, 쯤 attaches right after the time expression. 7시쯤, around 7.
For price, 10,000원쯤 해요 means it costs about 10,000 won.
For age, 30살쯤이에요 means I'm about 30 or they are about 30, depending on context.
For quantity, 5개쯤 필요해요 means I need about 5.
Okay, I hear it. Number or time first, then chum, not before it.
Now compare. 경. 회의는 3시경 시작해요. Means the meeting starts around 3. And it sounds like schedule language.
In casual conversation, I would usually say 3시쯤 시작해요. In a notice or schedule, 3시경 시작해요 is natural.
So for about 10,000 won,
만 원쯤
is natural, but
만 원경.
sounds wrong because is not for prices.
정확해요. 경 is not used for price, age, or quantity in normal beginner sentences. Use 틈.
Let's unpack the shape. 쯤 is like a small estimate marker. It attaches after a noun phrase. 3시쯤, 만 원쯤, 30살쯤.
If I say,
5개쯤
it is not exactly 5, it's a soft estimate.
맞아요. 쯤 softens the number. It means you are close, not exact.
Also, 끔 can follow words like 여기, 저기, and 이때. 여기쯤 means somewhere around here.
nice.
Chum is not only numbers. It can mean around here too.
Now listen to a short dialogue. The card will show the Korean lines, and the turns will be spoken after this setup.
몇 시쯤 만날까요?
7시쯤 어때요?
좋아요. 커피는 얼마쯤 해요?
5,000원쯤 해요.
Notice the question word too. 몇 시쯤 means about what time, and 얼마쯤 means about how much.
Let me try.
몇 시쯤 만날까요?
좋아요. 쯤 starts with 쌍지읒, so make it stronger than 지읒. 몇 시쯤 만날까요?
몇 시쯤 만날까요?
완벽해요. Now try a price sentence. 5,000원쯤 해요.
5,000원쯤 해요.
좋아요. In natural speech, 쯤 often sounds attached to the word before it. 원쯤, 살쯤, 개쯤.
Here's my danger zone.
Can I say 만 원경?
Because English says around $10.
In normal Korean, no. For money say 만 원쯤. 경 is for time and dates, not everyday amounts.
Another common mistake is putting 튼, 춘, 비춘 before the number. Say 5개쯤, 너쯤 5개.
So, I should not translate English word order. Korean says 5 items about.
5개쯤.
Right. And for a formal time notice, 경 is fine. 오후 2시경, around 2 in the afternoon.
But when texting a friend, 오후 2시쯤 sounds warmer and more every day.
Quiz time.
I'm buying a snack and I want to ask, about how much is it? Which Korean is most natural?
The answer is A. 얼마쯤 해요? Because price uses 쯤 and 쯤 comes after 얼마.
Second check. A formal museum announcement says, the event starts around 10 a.m., which sounds most like a notice.
The answer is A. 오전 10시경 is around 10 a.m. and 경 fits a formal time notice.
Third check. You need about 3 cups. Which one fixes the English speaker word order mistake?
The answer is A. 3컵쯤 필요해요. Quantity takes 쯤 after the quantity. 정리해볼게요. 쯤은 일상적인 추측을 나타내요. In English, 쯤 marks an everyday estimate, like about or approximately.
시간, 가격, 나이, 수량에는 쯤을 쓸 수 있어요. In English, use 쯤 after time, price, age, and quantity.
경은 시간이나 날짜에 더 격식 있게 써요. In English, 경 is for time or dates, especially in schedules, notices, or written style.
그리고 위치가 중요해요. In English, the marker comes after the estimated word. 3시쯤, 10,000원쯤, 오후 2시경.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 7시쯤 만나요. In English, let's meet around 7.
My keeper sentence is,
7시쯤 만나요.
I can use some for my real-life estimates now.
다음 시간에는 부터 and까지, from and to로 시간을 연결해 봅니다. Thanks for climbing with Korean Ladder.